Welcome to SIRA MCQ YouTube channel. Today we discuss advanced level A-level accounting paper 2025 question number 46. Look here, this is related to cost classification. Look here, what is the requirements? There are requirements. Indicate each of the following cost for this cake order. There is a cake order there. Indicate each of the following cost for this cake. Sunk cost, rupees, we must write the rupees. Total relevant cost, total irrelevant cost. Okay, look here. Firstly, we find the sunk cost. Sunk cost. Look here. Sunk cost means before this decision we must already done. Look here. Before this order or before this decision, the new decision, we already paid this cost. We find the sunk cost. Okay, before the decision making, before they start in this work, we already paid this cost. Look here. The following costs are given relation to the order received by a bakery for special cake. There is a special cake, there is a customized cake, there is a birthday cake. No? Okay. Further, the bakery had already incurred before the cake creation, already incurred sales promotion cost 120,000 to obtain this cake order. This is the before the creation of cake. They already incurred 120. This is sunk cost. We must find another sunk cost. No, okay. Cost of flour, sugar and butter. After the decision making, this is the butter and sugar we must pay. Okay, cost. Why the sunk cost is before decision? No, this one. Overtime allowances for bakery staff. After the cake creation, the bakery staff cost must be incurred. Okay, after the cake, after the decision making. Okay, look here. Packaging cost and special cake. Packaging cost of the special cake. This is the after the decision making cost. Okay, look here. Another one. Additional information. Monthly salary of the permanent bakery staff. Monthly rent of the bakery. This is the not sunk cost. By there is a month carry out at the month working period. At that time they paid this cost. Before the decision making, the only cost is sales promotion cost, is sunk cost already done. Okay, 120, there's 1,000. No, 120 is answer. Sunk cost before the decision making already done. What is the total relevant cost? Relevant cost means what is the relevancy for this is the special cake. Based on the special cake, we must incur some cost. Look here, I explain you. This is the special cake. No, special cake. The special cake is arising. The cost is arising. This is arising. Based on this arising, the cost is arising. This is the relevant cost. The based on the new special cake order, newly incurred cost. This is the new cake. Based on that newly we incurred cost. Okay, new cake, new cost. Okay, not the normal carry out cost. This is the based on the new cake, this generate a new cost. Based on the new cake, the create a cost, a new cost. Okay, look here, what are the new cost based on the new cake? Okay, what are they? We cannot get this 120 sales promotion. No, this is the sunk cost. No, this is cost of the flour, sugar and butter. Can you get it? Yes, based on the new cake, we must include the sugar and flour? No. Therefore, this is the relevant cost. Okay. Overtime allowances of bakery staff. Overtime means based on the new cake, there is overtime they must work. Based on the new cake, the reason is new cake. Therefore, we must work another time bakery allowance. Overtime means based on this new cake. This is the relevant cost. Packaging cost of the special cake. Based on the special cake, we must packaging cost another cost. This is the another cost, new cost. Okay. Packaging cost of the special cake, not a normal packaging. This is the special one. Why? Special cake, special packaging. Okay. Next one. Monthly salary for permanent bakery staff. This is the permanent staff working there. At that point, this cost is not relevant for the special cake. Why? This bakery staff cost is not incurred newly. Already monthly we incurred this cost. Therefore, based on the newly special cake, there is no special newly cost for the bakery staff. This is the permanent bakery staff cost is not relevant for special cake. Okay. Therefore, monthly rent of the bakery, this one is same to this point. The monthly rent of the bakery is not relevant cost for special. Why? Based on new cake, the newly cost is incurred. We must identify this is not newly incurred. This is a monthly rent already. The normal process of the business we must incur. There is no newly incurred cost. There is already. This is the relevant for the newly cake related. At this amount, this is the 700 is relevant cost. The total relevant cost 700. Total irrelevant cost means not relevant cost are this one and this one. This is the relevant cost. No, other all costs are irrelevant cost. Therefore, I add this one 600, 300 and 120 is 1020. Okay, this is the 1020 is answer. Okay, this is the answers for cost classification. In next video we must meet question number 47.